So next here is nature and features of coordination. So first feature of coordination here is coordination integrates group effort. So coordination always applies to group effort. If there is no need of coordination when single individual is working at in at one place. So this need of coordination arises when there are number of persons working for a task. So it always applies to a group effort. So second here is coordination unify the effort of employees in a common direction. So when there is a group of persons involved to perform a task or activity, so they have different ways of doing that task. उनका टेस्ट, उनका नज़रिया अलग है, उनका काम करने का तरीका अलग है, लेकिन हम सबको उनके तरीके से काम करने की छूट नहीं दे सकते. सो देयर इज़ अ नीड टू unify the efforts of all the employees in a common direction. So this has been done with the help of coordination. Second here is it ensures unity of efforts. So in an organization, in a large organization, there are different departments involved, and all the departments are basically aimed to achieve their individual goals. So there is a need to ensure that all departments work balanced and act as a binding force in all departments. So सब डिपार्टमेंट्स की एक्टिविटीज़ जो हैं एक दूसरे को इन्फ्लुएंस करती है. द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ वन डिपार्टमेंट अफेक्ट्स द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ अनदर डिपार्टमेंट. जैसे कि परचेज डिपार्टमेंट अपने टारगेट्स को टाइमली अचीव करेगा तो ही प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट का काम जो है या टारगेट्स टाइमली अचीव होंगे. सो ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स वांट्स टू वर्क in an isolation. They always focus to achieve their departmental goals, but there is a need to channelize the output of each and every department towards the achievement of common goals of the organization. So coordination ensures all departments work balanced and act as binding force in all department. जो coordination है ये it acts as a binding force. ये सभी departments को bind करता है क्योंकि एक department की performance दूसरे department की performance को affect करती है. Third here is it is a continuous process. So coordination is non-ending function. It is a continuous function although the degree may vary. So every manager work continuously to achieve coordination and maintain coordination, because without coordination companies cannot function efficiently. So जो मैनेजर्स हैं वो हमेशा कोऑर्डिनेशन फंक्शन परफॉर्म करते रहते हैं क्योंकि कोऑर्डिनेशन के बिना कोई भी कंपनी जो है वो एफिशिएंटली काम नहीं कर सकती. कोऑर्डिनेशन इज़ अ परवेसिव फंक्शन. सो इट इज़ अ यूनिवर्सल फंक्शन. It requires at all the levels of management, हर level, middle level, top level, lower level, sub departments they need coordination. All the levels of management they need coordination. All the departments they need coordination. So whether the organization is a business organization or non-business organization, coordination is treated as the essence of an organization. Fourth here is coordination is the responsibility of all the managers. So coordination जो है it is a responsibility of all the manager. Like top level management, they are involved in making the main plans, policies, strategies for the whole organization. So top level management always try to coordinate the overall plans and policies of the organization. मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट दे कोऑर्डिनेट. मिडिल लेवल पे क्या है, डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंटल मैनेजर्स आर देयर, सो दे हैड देयर ओन टारगेट्स, सो दे ऑलवेज ट्राई टू कोऑर्डिनेट डिपार्टमेंटल एक्टिविटीज़. लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट, नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स वर्क एट दिस लेवल, सो देयर इज़ अ नीड ऑफ coordination to coordinate the activities of various workers who are working at lower level management. So here 6.1 is coordination is a deliberate function. सो कोऑर्डिनेशन जो है इट इज़ अ डेलिब्रेट फंक्शंस. So every manager try to coordinate the activities of organization so that he can avoid chaos and confusion among the workers. Without coordination, the efforts of individual can't be united and integrated. Coordination के बिना जो efforts है employees की ना तो उनको unite करा जा सकता है ना integrate करा जा सकता है. So that's why managers deliberately perform coordination to unite and integrate the efforts of various individuals or subordinates who work under them. So this is regarding the features of coordination.